Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Milan Ghimire. So today we will see about logic gates. This is a logic gate trainer. This is the device where we will learn about all the gates, how it works, and we will see the output in this device. Okay, so if you are new to our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe our YouTube channel and share it among your friends. So now let's get started. So this is the on off button. From here you will on this machine, and these all are the inputs. Okay, so when you give 1, this is 1 means high, so you can see all the options are on. Okay, so these means on and off, these are all inputs. So now these are the gates. Here you can see NOR gates, here you can see OR gates, AND gates, XOR. This is AND gate, this is NOT gate. These are flip-flops, and we will see this is the output where we will see the result, and we will talk about other things later in our videos, so stay tuned. First of all, now we will see how the AND gates work. Okay, so these all wires are known as connecting wires. So now we will see the AND gates. Okay, so now first of all we will give the input 1. This is the input. Okay, one input, and another is also we will give another input. Okay, so these are the two inputs which are giving the 0 values. Okay, initially. Now we will give this to the AND gate. Now this is the AND gate, so we will give the input here, and another also at AND gate, and we will bring another wire from the output of the AND gate to output section. Okay, and we will see now the result. Now let's draw the truth table of AND gate. Okay, now X and Y are the inputs. Okay, and we will see X dot Y. This is the AND gate truth table. Okay, so first of all we will give 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1, and as we know 0 0 means in AND gate it's 0, 0 1 it's 0, 1 0 0, 1 1 1. This is the table that we know. Now let's see whether it is true or not in this device. Okay, so now let's on the device and let's make it 0 0. Now when the X and Y values are 0 0 in this gate, we see the output also 0. Now we will make 0 1, still the output is 0, and we will make 1 0, still the output is 0. Now when we give 1 1, then we get the value 1, we get the answer 1. So this is proof. So thank you. This is about AND gate. So this is all about AND gate. We will discuss other gates in upcoming videos. Thank you very much. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.